Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Hey, Happy New Year, Mike Foster here. This video, as you saw from the title, is called Good Riddance 2021 and Good Hope for 2022. You know, 2021, I just read online that remember that it was worse than 2020. Remember in 2020 we had to shut down the economy. I think 400,000 people died from COVID. It was a complete mess, and we got the numbers down and things got better, but then things got worse. We opened up. And guess what? I'm not for shutting down the economy at all. I do not shut down the economy, but get vaccinated, wear a mask, be careful out there. Don't just think that pandemic is gone. It's lingering. And it's multiplied itself into several different variants. Different variants that at first got worse, the Delta, but now the Omicron, I believe that's what it's called, the Omicron. They said that even though it spreads more easily, it's less lethal. But even before that, 2021 lost more people to the virus than in 2020. And we thought 2020 sucked. Well, 2021 to me is like hideous. So, good riddance, 2021. I'm looking forward to the new year. Well, let me give you a little history. I haven't had a good normal year since 2017. Now, as you get older, as you can see, I'm past 27 years old. You value your years. You should always value your years because you never know how many you got. But the last good year was 2017. 2018, they had the fires up in Northern California that wiped out a town that my mother-in-law lived in, that we had to evacuate twice. We had this beautiful home that we loved. We sold it. We transitioned to Las Vegas, then we transitioned to Utah, where I'm at now. But during our 2019 years in Las Vegas, my mother-in-law's health deteriorated. We actually had to go to the emergency room, I think four weeks in a row until they diagnosed that she had heart issues and she was put on full-time oxygen, etc. That's not fun. Then we had to sell one house. We had to put everything in storage. Then we sold another place, and then we found a place in Utah, and that was 2019. And then now and moving sucks. No one likes to move. You have to pack up all your stuff, and then you have to, unpack it. I've done it too many times. I'm done with it. That's a young man's game. And of course, 2020, we wanted to start off fresh in 2020, and what happened? COVID hit from out of the blue. My wife got sick, and I had to deal with a whole year of her being sick, and it was an undiagnosed issue that they finally figured out. She had kidney stones, and it was causing all these issues throughout her entire body. And she went to all these medical professionals. Medical idiots is what I call them, because they don't know what they're doing. And she finally had some, I think it was some kind of CAT scan or something, and they saw these stones. And they go, oh, and by the way, it looks like you got some kidney stones. She said, kidney stones? Remove them. And so they got rid of them. She's doing better now. But that takes us up to 2021, and we all know what that year was about. One of the worst things that happened to us in 2021 was we got a call in the middle of the year in June, and we lost our best friend. He was only 59 years old. He passed away. And my wife worked with him for a dozen years, and they remained friends, and he was a good friend of ours. I've known him for over 23 years, and it sucks. So, good riddance 2021, and what the heck? I wish I had a horn to go. Happy New Year, 2022. My wife found these glasses. She's making me wear them. I'm only going to wear them for a few minutes. I look like an idiot. It's great, isn't it? But we can have hope. I just read an article that we could achieve herd immunity because of the Omicron virus is less lethal. People get it. They almost just get flu and cold symptoms. Get rid of it. And the more people that get exposed, the better. And Dr. Fauci is saying it's going to peak at the end of January. That would be fantastic. And then maybe we could have a normal year. It would be awesome. Be awesome. But the folks that are unvaccinated, I feel sorry for you, because the majority of the deaths in the last 6 months and the next 6 months are you folks. So even though you're vaccinated and it doesn't completely protect you from everything, it keeps you alive. And I've gotten everything up to the booster. And I'll tell you, that booster kicked my butt. I mean, after I got the booster, I was like, it was tough. No one wants to, put stuff into their body, foreign stuff. But I'd rather do that and be alive and just get sick for a couple days. So let's have hope for 2022. Can you guys take me seriously with these on? Let's have hope for 2022. And I'm an optimist by trade, but it's been really tough. It's been a tough 4 years, and I'm hoping that this is the year that everything turns around and we can have normalcy and peace and love. Until next time.
Live life 365.
See, so look at this. There's a Buddha. And look at this. There's his twin brother. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I can't change this thing. All right, bye-bye.